Hey guys, Exit Strategy here. Today, I am going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra using the Apple Vision Pro. Why am I doing this? Well, I just want to show you guys how terrible I think the camera, the video camera on the Vision Pro is, especially if you're not watching it back on a Vision Pro. So you can see it in special video mode or whatever. Since I'm going to be uploading this to YouTube, it's just going to be a regular video with the weird square aspect ratio, I believe, but we'll find out and see how good the camera, the video is going to be. Well, you ready? Let's unbox this thing. So I got the S24 Ultra and the case. We'll first off start with the S24 Ultra. And I'm just using this Apple Vision Pro, and the pass-through is just not very crisp, so I can't really read the text, but maybe you guys can. So, there's two things. Let's unbox this. There it is. Okay, so that's the phone. And so let's compare the color to the iPhone. Pretty similar color. Again, I can't tell too much because I'm looking through the Vision Pro. There's something up here. Okay, so you do have the SIM ejector tool, USB-C 2, I believe, USB-C cable, and of course, no power brick, since Samsung made fun of Apple a while back. Now they're doing the same for a few years, but we're not making fun of Samsung here, because clearly this is a great looking product. I'm gonna see it the first time. Okay, there it is. And this is through Google Fi, by the way, and also, yes, this is Google Fi, and Google Fi is running, well, when I got this, they were running a promo for existing subscriber. I think it was like $6.50 off. So I don't know if that promo is still going on, but you guys should check it out. And if you're new to Google Fi or looking into Google Fi, I believe they're, as of right now, early Feb 2024. Yeah, early February 2024. They are running some promos for new subscribers as well. So check it out. I'll put my link for referral if you look, watch this video and want to get the Galaxy or whatever through Google Fi, which is great. I love Google Fi. Please consider using my referral link. So I'll make like 20 bucks, I think. And I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Now let's get back to this Galaxy S24 Ultra. Okay, you ready? Okay, yeah, that was good. It feels good. I happen to have a scale with me here. Let's see how much it weighs. 8.2 ounce or 234 grams. Now I have the the iPhone 15 Pro Max. 232. So 234, 232. So very, very similar. And I believe that's it. I'm gonna turn this on for the very first time. Maybe that's not the button. Oh, it is a button. Just delayed a little bit. Android. Welcome. Start. All right, well, this looks good. I think this is gonna be a great phone. Even though I think the upgrade from S23 is pretty minimal, but I don't have S23, so this will be a good experience using it with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The other thing, let's unpack this, or let's unbox this case though. I got the vegan leather case in this color. Oh, it feels nice. I like this feeling and this suede or whatever material inside. Pretty sweet. So I'm gonna snap that in. Amazing. Oh, I like this case a lot. So I'll put this link down below as well. I got this from Amazon. This is obviously made by Samsung and it fits just perfectly. But here it is, just an unboxing video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, capturing it using the Apple Vision Pro. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.